Hey guys, so some of you guys are submitting the assignment, the article, and you're not doing the part, you're missing a part. So a lot of you are submitting the article, but you're not writing the 3 to 5 sentence summary. So you guys will see this article, and you will be able to, you will like make your own Google Doc. It'll pull up in your own Google Doc, and then you can, at the end, that can be where you write your summary. But you still have to go back and submit that Google document into Canvas. If that's the case, that's why I can't see your work. Okay, so I can't grade it and give you feedback until you go in there and show me that you have done the summary so I can read it. Okay, so this is the article that you're going to read, correct, okay? But you still have to send me your summary. So when it comes up in a Google Doc, you can just scroll down to the bottom, and this can be where you type your summary. But you still have to save it in your Google Documents, and then you have to turn around and upload it, okay? If for some reason you can't figure out how to do that, shoot me an email and I can hopefully walk you through the steps. I can't turn on my student mode and show you because I'm not authorized, because I'm not in the class. It is just like a student mode to show you kind of what things look like. So I can't show you how to do that, but you can do that. You can go through and upload it back up into the Canvas. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email in the inbox, okay?